I just did a TikTok. So therefore the face paint on my face. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after being so long inactive on YouTube because I just don't have the time to edit and stuff, and I don't want to get pressured with what type of content that I want to do. So today I decided to do this thing called the challenge that I found on Instagram. It was by one of these artists. I will put down below the username. And I find that this challenge could be somewhat much more interesting than any other different DTIYS or like draw me 6 fan arts and stuff, and so I decided to join this one. So I did a poll on my Instagram and I asked my followers to give me one character for me to do this challenge, and surprisingly most of you guys commented Nezuko from Kimetsu no Yaiba, which is Demon Slayer, and it's an anime that I have never watched. Well, I know about that anime because it was such a hit and trending right now, but I never watched because I'm so busy that I just couldn't find time to watch it yet, even though I know it seems interesting. The art style is interesting, and I think it is much, even though the genre could be like traditional. Correct me if I'm wrong because I haven't watched it yet, and I want to watch it. Let's get to it. If any of you are like from the artists or people who like to draw background, I think you guys would know this challenge by now. Probably it's already trending, and this challenge consists of 6 different styles. You have to draw the same characters but 6 different styles. So first I'm gonna go with Memory, and I bought these for her. I got them from CAFKL, so I think that's very cute. So you can see that's Nezuko, but I didn't even look at these stickers, but yeah, it's here now, so I guess I know that her hair strands are actually like fire orange sorta. And this one is Zenitsu, if I'm not mistaken. He's like my sister's favorite character, Zenitsu and Inosuke? I think. Don't come at me, fans. Sorry, I haven't watched yet. Yeah, so these 2 are my sister's favorite characters, so that's why I bought him this. Can't wait to give it to her though. And so we're gonna go for Memory first. So in this memory section, I really remembered that Nezuko didn't have that kind of fringe, so that's why I did her hair pulled backwards. But then I also know that it is a traditional genre anime, so like I don't think like back then people do your hairs backward and like tie or pin it somewhere. So I know it's already wrong, but I'm just like, okay, just go with whatever I have in my head. So you can see that's what I'm doing, and I have totally no idea about the pattern on the shirt. And this one also, I was like, actually when I do the sketch I already know that this ain't it, it's not gonna work, and that's why I didn't put effort on making the right proportions of the head, the eyes and whatnot. And also it was kind of like rushing, and I was not in the best creative passionate mode to finish this, but I'm just gonna do it. So that's the result of my Memory Nezuko. It's kind of cute though. I think it's a very great idea to put a character with pink eyes. I think that is very cute, like totally. People should normalize pink eyes on girls. That's cute. So next I tried to draw with reference so that it would help me to do the other challenges. At least I'm more confident when I know who was the character is. So, and on this part also I kind of do like, I would consider myself as cheat because I was using the mirror ruler, symmetry ruler, and it wasn't like I'm satisfied with it because, to be honest, I suck at drawing hairs and I want to like really study how to draw hairs and color hairs. So I took this opportunity to fix my hair issue and do the best as I can. See, that is why it is important to use reference. Do not feel ashamed about it. So when I am like satisfied with it, I think I already know how Nezuko really looks like, and then we can go on to the next challenge, which is drawing left-handed. You can see I'm already sketching with my left hand and it is just bad. It's bad. And like, oh my god, I can't even. I don't know how do other people do it with their like not their prime hands, that what you call, and it's just amazing. How can they do that? And then I was like looking forward some inspiration, and I just see that everybody seems to like can draw with their left hand, and that is not fair. Why can't I do it? Anyways, that's it. And next is drawing with mouse. So I was thinking about using, I'm actually kind of regular drawing with mouse if I'm using Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator, because we can draw using vectors and pen tool, and it is actually quite easy and I'm used to it. But then I was thinking maybe let's play fair this time. Let's just use mouse on Clip Studio Paint. And even though I'm using the inking pen, it does not just the thing. It really, you know, like there's no pen pressure or whatever. It's just purely bad. Yeah, that's it. And now the most pressuring challenge is to draw in 1 minute. So this one, I know that I'm gonna do multiple times because last time I already did a drawing speed up, you know, like drawing in 1 minute challenge. You can see in my previous videos I did one, and you have to like practice several times to get used to it, to understand which one you want to focus more and stuff. So you can see that I have tried several times, and finally, I don't know how many times have I done this, finally get to make my Nezuko in 1 minute. No eyelash on the other side of the eyes, but that's fine as long as you get to deal with the 1 minute rule. Drawing with eyes closed. I know this will be like a very challenging. I was thinking about doing it with using my phone, because like you can really imagine the size of the paper. When you're using Wacom, it's not going to feel the same, because as you can see, the screen here size is different and the Wacom that you're using is also different. So what you draw small, what your hand movement might be small, but the image shows up in the screen might be big. So that's the challenge there. So this is my best shot that I can do. So that's it all for the whole challenge thing. I think it is very fun, and it taught me a lot. It taught me that reference is important, and this is definitely a challenge that all artists should do to polish their skills. So I hope you guys inspired by this video or enjoy this video. That's it from me, so don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this video. See you guys next time.